Hi there, nature lovers. Welcome back to the channel, Sandra Fostering. I am Sandra Foster. On this channel, we do all things nature. Today, in this video, I will be transplanting these lovely pop chow that are in this nursery bed, long overdue to be transplanted. And unfortunately, it seems as if some pests and insects have got to them, eating them away. Look at that. Just look at that, eating them away. So it's full and ready and should have been transplanted already, so I have to do so quickly. And I will just be using one simple DIY project where I'll be using plastic bottles. So I'll cut these open, cut these in two, and have them and use them as planters as well. And guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe as we continue to nurture in nature. So watch me as I transplant these pop chow into plastic bottles. So guys, these are the containers that I had cut and I had them pierced or hose bored through them for drainage, and they were cut in two. And here I am now in my little compost pile trying to have them filled up so I can transplant the pop chow in them. Guys, look, wow guys, look at the awesome bed of pop chow. As I said earlier, I'll be transplanting them into these DIY containers that I just got filled up from the compost. I'm gonna add some additional nutrients to them, to the top of them, and to mix that in very well. Then I'm going to water them, and then I'm going to transplant these luscious, beautiful, look at them guys, pop chow. And I'm doing so in late afternoon because I want them to have the night to recover, so by morning when the sun comes up they would have at least settled into their new little nice cozy homes in plastic bottles, ready to take off as they come out of this jungle So watch me guys as I transplant these beautiful greens pop chow into plastic container.